Tired of messy tools and wasted time? In this video, we're diving into the best toolbox organizers that will help you take control of your workspace and boost productivity. Our channel brings you daily insights on top products to make smarter buying decisions. Let's get organized. Number 1. Gear Wrench 3-Drawer Toolbox. An organized toolbox starts with the box itself. This portable 3-drawer toolbox from Gear Wrench features 4 compartments to give all your tools a place of their own. Each drawer is 2 inches high and moves smoothly on ball-bearing slides. The hinged top compartment measures 2.5 inches deep and closes securely with a pair of steel latches, and a keyed lock secures the lid. We were impressed with the build quality of this toolbox. The powder-coated steel is not super heavy, but it feels sturdy. The drawer slides and top hinge moved smoothly and felt strong. The handle, lock, and latches, which bear the full weight of the toolbox, showed no signs of strain under a 40-pound load of sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, and other assorted tools. Number 2. ERNST Manufacturing Wrench Pro Modular Wrench Organizer. Wrenches can get mixed up in an open drawer, but this wrench organizer keeps them in check. The ERNST Manufacturing Wrench Pro Modular Organizer is designed to work with most wrenches, separating and aligning them so that you can quickly find and pick out the one you need. The set includes interlocking pieces that hold up to 20 wrenches when assembled in a single long row, and peel and stick labels for common wrench sizes from 6 mm to 38 mm, or 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches. The compact design fits in most toolbox trays and drawers, with a clearance height of 1 7/8 inches. The stepped shape works with offset, combination, open-end, stubby, adjustable, and ratcheting wrenches. The base of the system features slip-resistant grip spikes to minimize movement inside a lined drawer. Number 3. Olsa Tools Portable Socket Organizer. Few tools cause as much aggravation as a collection of loose sockets, but the Olsa Tools Portable Socket Organizer eliminates the frustration. It comes equipped with ball-bearing clips that hold 20 1/4-inch sockets, 30 1/8-inch sockets, and 30 1/2-inch sockets. The socket rails are mounted on a steel base plate with a fold-out handle for easy removal and transport from the toolbox. The Olsa Tools Socket Organizer was very easy to load. The spring-loaded ball-bearing retainer clips allowed the sockets to slip on and off with minimal force, but still held them securely. Reconfiguring the socket clips to consolidate sizes and types required simply squeezing a rail lock release to slip the clip off one rail and then slipping it onto another. Deep well sockets fit on the clips, but they may prevent the tray from fitting into shallow drawers. Number 4. Onreva Toolbox Foam Organizer. Using foam is a great way to create your own DIY toolbox organizer. Foam can be customized to fit existing toolboxes and tool organization drawers, then cut to suit all types of tools, from sockets, wrenches, and pliers to drills and other power tools. However, it's important to choose the right type of foam, as some tear easily or wear quickly. Onreva uses Kaizen foam, which is a laminated, closed-cell polyethylene that is strong, durable, shock-absorbing, and vibration-dampening. It is also easy to cut with a sharp craft knife or box cutter. This organizer set includes 3 sheets of 18-inch by 12-inch by 2.2-inch foam in a pack. Foam inserts for cases are easy to cut with simple tools like a hot knife or blade, allowing you to create custom shapes and sizes to fit your tools perfectly. The foam is easy to install by following the instructions provided, making it a convenient and hassle-free solution for organizing your tools. Number 5. Kanta 42-Pack Toolbox Organizer. Organizing small tools and components can be challenging, and it's easy for them to end up in a confused jumble. Kanta's 42 tray set can be used to create an effective tool drawer organizer for screwdrivers, drill bits, pliers, Allen wrenches, and so on, all at an affordable price. The polypropylene trays come in 3 sizes, allowing them to accommodate a wide range of items, from nuts and bolts to nails and other hardware. They are also surprisingly tough. The set can support up to 100 pounds before deforming. Moreover, the trays have an anti-slip design and can hook together, so combinations can be customized to suit toolboxes or drawers. These toolbox drawer organizers felt much sturdier than we had anticipated, and they integrate with most tool storage systems. We used the smallest tray size to sort our collection of driver bits. The mid-size ones were the right size for screwdrivers, as well as detailing tools like craft knives, precision screwdrivers, hooks, and picks.